Okay, now guys, I'm going to show you the biggest glitch of CS 1.6 using Goldberg emulator, where you use the scoreboard, the game crashes. Okay, I'm gonna show you. First, we don't have Goldberg. This is the build 8684, also known as the pre-anniversary build. Okay, that's legacy. Okay, now we're gonna get Goldberg emulator. I'm using the main branch. I also have Alex and Detanu fork, but Alex and Detanu fork does not even run the game. Don't believe me? I'll show you later. Okay? Okay, let's start. Okay, let's start with Half-Life first. You will see that here there's no glitch. It works perfectly fine. See, I'm pressing tab. The scoreboard appears. Nothing wrong happens. Okay? Now let's play CS. Okay? Now the game loads fine. Now let's look at this. I'm gonna press tab to open the scoreboard. Let's look what happens. The game totally crashes when you press tab and open the scoreboard with playing CS. Only in CS. It works fine in Deathmatch Classic, Ricochet, Team Fortress, and Day of Defeat. In CS and Condition Zero, the bug happens. When you open the scoreboard, the game will instantly crash. See Condition Zero as well. Probably because Condition Zero and 1.6 also uses mp.dll. Let's see again. Okay, let's try Deathmatch Classic. I mean Team Fortress for reference again. Again, scoreboard works fine. No crash, okay? But when we try CS, the moment you open the scoreboard, it crashes. See? I don't have a fix for this. If any one of you can help, please do so. Now, before anyone says this is very outdated, okay, the forks, Alex and Detanoop, I have them with me. They don't even work. Look, I'll start with Alex. Okay, Alex fork. Doesn't even launch the game. Okay? Doesn't even launch the game. Again. Alex 47 Sport does not even run. Let's try Detanoop. Detanoop's fork doesn't even run the game also. You see? Only the main build runs the game. But somehow there's the scoreboard crash. Okay? So if anyone can help, please do so because I love CS 1.6 and I love Goldberg. And I'm pretty sure this should be a simple fix because only the scoreboard crashes, the rest of the game seems to be working fine. please leave down in the comments below, and please share this video to any forums, okay? Because I really need help. Okay, thank you very much. If you have any questions, just comment me. Okay.